Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging, y'all. This is another budget-friendly kit that I got from Amazon. I only gave $4.99 for it, so let's look and see what I got. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing great. I hope you've got nice weather and you're just having a all in all great day. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, old and new. I appreciate every one of you. So this is a crystal, just a little crystal canvas. And it is poured glue. And I got a little penguin. And now it is what they call the bubble round because it has the different size round crystals, which makes it look sort of bubbly. So that is why they call it a bubble round. So it is a little 25 by 25 centimeter. There's the thumbnail. You can see it. All right. And then it has a color key on the top left. And it has the DMC numbers. And then it has another color key on the bottom right. All right. So with this canvas, you get a little green boat, a little square of pink wax. You get the cheap plastic tweezers and then a pink single placer pen. That's it. All right, let's look at the crystals. All right. I love doing these little crystal kits. It's just, to me, they're just so much fun. They really are. Well, if I can get a hold of it. All right, so I have learned that they are numbered. That is a crystal code number, if y'all can see. Let me see if I can show you. Right there. That one's a 9. This one is a, what is that, a 16. And then this one is a number 2, if y'all can see that. Now, let's see. They have the, I think that's how many ounces or whatever is in the bag. I'm not real sure what all this is, but that's the canvas number. All right, so let's look at these crystals. So my lighting is bad, so I apologize. But this is a red. It's like a really dark red. And then a yellow. That's like a pinkish. Get them a little separated there. Those. All right, now this is just a regular, looks like 310, just a regular drill. All right, and then these are clear. These are a clear. These look like they're just slightly off from being clear. And then we got some blues, some more blues, and some more blues. Okay. So it's not going to be like real colorful, but it's still going to be cute. Because come on, y'all, penguins are cute. All right, so Like I said, it's just a tiny little 25 by 25, which is probably a 20 by 20. But just a little, it's just a cute little penguin. But isn't it cute? And it's going to be really cute once it's done. But the drill field looks really cute. And, well, I don't know why I said cute. I've still got the penguin's picture in my brain, I guess. But the drill field looks clear, is what I was saying. It's like my mind was going one way and my mouth was going another. But yeah, let's see. Very sticky. Very sticky. And the canvas itself is very pliable. So I think it's going to be very cute once it's done, y'all. So what do y'all think? For $4.99, I don't think it was bad. So what do y'all think about this one? Have y'all done this one? I honestly thought that there would be a little bit more, colors in it. But that's okay, because I think it's going to be really cute. You don't do his eyes. So, all right, y'all, what do you think about this one? Have you done it? If you have, leave me a comment. So, does anybody else like the little bubble canvases? I think they're really cute. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.